What's up, YouTube? So last night there was a really bad windstorm and we looked out the window and there was a tree that almost fell on our car. So we had to move our car and I'm about to go show you what has happened. And today I'm not feeling very good because of the weather switch up, so it's
like really cold now.
I'm not really feeling it to do my hair or makeup or anything today, so just bear with me on that because I'm not feeling good. I think I'm getting a cold. So our car was parked right here, and the car like right there. Our car was parked right there, and the tree right here nearly hit our car. So let's go around and see it. It's like a big Christmas tree. Oh my gosh, I didn't even see it over here yet. Wow.
It's like a giant tree before.
Right. So let's go see on the side. Oh wow, that's crazy. Babe! It pulled it up from the roots.
Yeah. That's how you know it's like some strong wind last night.
It was really strong. It was honestly really scary. Oh wow, so look, it knocks over this, but it does not knock over the stick that's right there. What do you have to say about that, babe?
Nature.
Mother Nature hates this, but likes that, I guess. This is not our RV. I don't know whose this RV is. So yeah. I wonder if it broke out any of their windows in their RV. It probably did, to be honest.
Well, yeah, it definitely.
Really?
It had to. There's no way. If not, they're lucky.
It fell literally right on their RV. I hope they have insurance. Oh, it's cold. Let's go. We're gonna show you the rest of the town and see what the damage has done here. So we will get back to you in just a second. Alright, y'all, we're about to head out and show you this outside. It is bad. It is bad. Unless if they've cleaned it up, which I don't think they have. It's bad. So let's see. Alright, y'all, so it looks like they already started cleaning up. I know this tree up here, it fell and landed almost on their truck. And then let's go down this way. So I know down there was pretty bad this morning. Right here. Like all that. That ended up bending their fence. That snapped. It's all bad. Let's go down this neighborhood and see. All of that. This is not too bad, but it was pretty bad this morning when I went to work. Yeah, so it looks like they cleaned up a lot so far. See their house. Oh, right there. It's very windy out if you can hear it. Let's go straight a little bit. I think I see a tree that's been knocked to the ground. Up this way. Oh, we just ran over a stick. So it looks like a lot of the neighbors are still trying to figure out how to clean up their yards. It was definitely a storm. Like all of that. They're still cleaning the road up ahead. Wow, what if that would have fell? That branch right there. No, it would have fell. That would have been bad.
That road would have been closed.
Coming up onto this main road here. I don't like this road. It's This is a difficult road to cross. Yeah, so that happened. There it goes. All that happened. I know whenever I got to work this morning, a big tree fell right in our drive-thru. By the way, I work at Taco Bell. So when I got to work this morning at Taco Bell, a tree fell right in our drive-thru. And an old man was coming through the drive-thru and he didn't see it.
It's like a whole bunch of branches.
Yeah. And he didn't see the branch, and he was actually dragging it with his tire through the drive-thru. So we had to run out after him and say, hey, wait, you're stuck. Literally, like, and he was in a small car. Like, it was not like our Jeep. It was actually a pretty small car. So, wow, all of this happened. It's like, things around here does not happen. It's always nice, shiny, beautiful, hot, or either just cold. Like, things like these, it just doesn't happen here.
It's 2020, so.
It is 2020, you're right. Things unexpectedly happen in this year. We're gonna go back around and go up that hill when we get back. See you then. Y'all, tell me why the street light is off. The power literally went off for the street light. And now there's traffic because the street light is literally not working. Like, at all. I don't know who's guiding what. Here, take this camera, baby. I'm driving.
Yeah, like, look at this. The street light is literally not working at all.
At all. Oh, there's a car accident over there.
There's a car accident.
Street lights weren't working. There's a car accident. We just saw somebody driving on the sidewalk. We would have recorded it. It's just we didn't have time to get that in.
It's crazy today.
So I guess this is just going to be a stoplight or stop sign. Interesting, interesting. I kind of like it better this way. It's a stop sign.
Right. Give people more chances to go.
Right. Don't tell me they're selling a car with the bumper off. What? Oh my gosh, right there, baby.
1,500.
Right there.
I'd see it.
How can they sell a car with the bumper not even on? Look at me. They're selling a car with the bumper not even on. So we're coming back this way to show you guys our neighborhood up the road and show you how bad it was. We already went through this neighborhood once. Like in the beginning of the video. We're gonna go up the other side of our neighborhood to show you what the storm did. Like, I thought it was just a simple little windstorm last night. Like a little breeze or whatever. And I wake up to this. Like, I seriously thought that, like, because last night it was windy. And so whenever I woke up this morning, I was expecting to see nothing happen, like, at all. And then I come outside and I see literally trees knocked down. Look up here.
Look at that tree hanging.
Oh my God.
I never seen that tree hang that low.
Right. Look at all this, guys. Look at it. Look at all this side right here. That is crazy.
Wow, dude, this is wild.
Like, nothing happens ever around here. Alright, y'all, so this light's not even working. Look, it's bent.
The light is bent. Wow.
That is crazy, y'all. The light got bent. How does metal bend? I wonder if a tree smacked it. crazy, y'all. Oh my gosh, look at all that. Alright, y'all, so right now we're about to go head to a place called Elwood to find Alex a better job. So we will see you in a little bit.
Nice.
Alright, you guys, so now we're back home. We're gonna go cook some food and end off this video here.
Yep.
We just wanted to show you the storm that happened last night.
That was crazy.
It was. So also, like, I did not know this, but he told me that last night when he woke up in the middle of the night while I was still sleeping, and he said that the lights were actually flickering off and on.
Yeah. I didn't realize what it was. It was kind of weird, but I was too tired to, like, you know, pay attention to it, so I just fell back to sleep. But now we know why.
Right. So we're gonna end off this vlog here. So we'll see you guys later. Peace.